bloom at sundown.
And there is no way I am missing the end of summer boardwalk bike race. If anyone else wants to ride, bus with a few extra beach vibes. Oh, that all sounds so fun. But I'm looking forward to a romantic day with just me and Tom.
Boo all you want, but me and Angela have been planning a romantic beach getaway all summer. And all we need is a beach towel and an entire cooler filled with homemade ice pops. This day is gonna be unforgettable. Hey,
You're giving us summer fun so you can make gaga eyes at each other? Ugh, you'll be begging to hang with us. Oh! Did the buns just break down?
oh no! Do we have to walk the rest of the way? I'm wearing flip-flops.
Wow.
I don't think we're walking anywhere because we're stranded in the middle of the desert.
Yeah, sure. This bus is busted. But another bus can come pick us up in 12 hours.
12 hours?
Well, sorry, little dude. We must be like the winds and roll with it.
Huh? Don't worry, everyone. I, the genius, will get us moving with plenty of time to see those jellyfish.
What?
Wow! This might take a while.
Oh, man.
The only thing we can do now is eat the popsicles Tom made and think about what might have been. Guys, I see sand and sun. Right? The desert isn't all that different from the beach.
Yeah, it's like a beach where the ocean is really, really far away.
Exactly. So I say we all have beach fun here. Angela, I believe we still have a date.